Welcome to 3-2 Wonder. I'm Dr. Jeff, and this is a sloth. They're really amazing animals that move really slow. But where does a sloth live? The desert? The Arctic? The jungle? Today we'll learn where animals live and why they live there. Let's explore. Today, we'll learn that the place a living thing lives is called a habitat.
Animals only live in places where their needs are met. And there are many different kinds of habitats around the world.
3, 2, Wonder! Yeah! 3, 2, Wonder! Hey! Let's go! 3, 2, Wonder!
Today, we're on a field trip. We're visiting the Wildlife Learning Center located in Sylmar, California. They provide care to more than 100 rescued and abandoned animals. This is my friend Samantha. She helps take care of the amazing animals here. Today, she's going to show us 4 different animals, and we'll try to figure out what habitat they should be returned to when they feel better.
Dr. Jeff, what is a habitat?
A habitat is the place an animal naturally lives and grows. Habitats provide them with food, water, and shelter they need to survive.
So by knowing what the animal eats and its unique adaptations or features, we can figure out what habitat the animal's from?
Exactly. There are many different habitats on Earth. For example, a desert habitat is very hot and dry.
A jungle habitat is very wet and it rains a lot. The Arctic is normally very cold, and the animals that live there need a lot of fur and fat to keep them warm.
Now let's meet the first animal.
Whoa! What is this animal?
This is called a 3-banded armadillo. And you can tell because she's got 1, 2, 3 bands right on her back, which helps her form a perfect ball.
Can she climb?
So she's actually not a climber. She is more of a digger, and she loves to eat lots of bugs. She uses her claws to help dig up soft soil down into the ground, and that's how she's going to find all of the bugs that live down into the ground.
Does she have any special adaptations to survive?
She does. So if you look at her very closely, she's got armor all over her back, even on her head and her tail. So that's going to help keep her nice and safe from any predator that tries to get her.
What kind of animal would try to eat an armadillo?
The only animals that can really penetrate the shell of an armadillo are a puma or a jaguar.
Wow. So what kind of habitat do you think this armadillo naturally lives in?
I think the jungle, because there's lots of bugs for her to eat, and she can dig around, and it's very warm.
That's right. Armadillos live in the jungle. Jungles are areas with lots of trees. They're usually very warm and have many different plants and animals. Animals that live in the jungle get food, water, and shelter there. Now let's meet the next animal.
This is called a fennec fox. Now he might look